In this video, I'll show you what Get and Earn Green status on a Cash App card is and how to unlock Cash App Green status. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Before getting started, make sure you already have an active Cash App card. If your card isn't activated yet, open the Cash App, go to the Card section, and tap Activate. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include entering your card information or scanning the card to complete activation. Once your Cash App card is activated, you can start working toward Green status. To unlock Green status, there are two main requirements you need to meet. First, spend at least $500 using your Cash App card anywhere Visa is accepted. This includes in-store purchases, online shopping, and restaurants. Make sure the payments are made using your Cash App balance and not a linked bank account or debit card. Second, you need to receive at least $300 in qualifying paychecks through direct deposit. To set this up, go to the Banking tab in Cash App, select Direct Deposit, and share your account and routing numbers with your employer. Once both requirements are complete, $500 in card spending and $300 in direct deposit, you'll see a progress bar in the app. This bar tracks your progress toward earning Green status. When it fills up completely, your account will automatically be upgraded to Green status. Green status comes with several benefits designed to enhance your Cash App experience. You can enjoy up to 5 custom cashback offers every Friday, and free overdrafts, and get 3.5% interest on your balance. Additionally, Green status gives you 0 fees on in-network ATM withdrawals, no fees on paper money deposits, and access to priority customer support whenever you need assistance. Achieving Green status helps you get the most out of your Cash App card while saving money on everyday transactions. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.